Pack Leaders is here. Our friends and I are protecting families. We're taking the pack. I bought this Greenworks lawnmower and got the Forester chainsaw blade attachment. Just kind of show you the before and after. You see it right there is my neighbors. That's what it kind of looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. It's all nice and hacked away. Definitely in that little corner down there where all the bamboo was. So it was a lot of brush, and we were able to definitely use that to get it down. There's a kid here. But yeah, when I was using the weed whacker, it just it just ate up so much line that it just wasn't able to last. So I want to show you how to put it together. It took me a while to kind of figure it out, but this is it. I kind of left everything in, but you know, it didn't come with what you needed. So this is where the wire used to be, and I'm gonna squeeze. There's a little thumb notch here. I'm gonna squeeze that. Just pop it off. Just gonna squeeze both sides. Where's their thumb? Just kind of slide it out, and there's no on the other side. You squeeze and shimmy it out. There you go. And once that's out, you can see that's where the original stuff is, which you kind of use. Now all I do is kind of hand tighten thing, and you need a locking bar. I'm gonna use this for now. You're gonna find where that locking thing is and stick that right there where that hole is until it locks it with the rest of the thing. I'm gonna find it. It's somewhere around there. You kind of see it. It's kind of a little off. I think that is it. Is that it right there? I think that's it right there, yeah. I'm gonna stick this in there. It's my locking bar. Okay. There it is. It's locked. Once it's locked, then you just kind of hand twist it. Hold on. How did it go? Righty tighty, lefty. Yeah, you have to go the opposite. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There we go. Okay, now it's loose. And kind of take it right now. Make sure you go in the right direction still. There it is. Okay, so it's right there. So basically you kind of have to keep this thing still in here, okay? And that came with it too. Okay, so I just kind of keep that in there with everything else. Well, it should be. I think that kind of protects it. Make sure it lines up with your locking hole. There it is. Guess you don't need to have that one. And then you put this guy on. Okay. Now this came with a blade with this little washer. I didn't really use it because it seemed like it fit just right without it already. So I put that right there. This face up. All right. Okay. So if yours is small, I guess, I don't know, maybe I should have used it. Or maybe I will use it this time. And it keeps a little barrier or something. Maybe not. I don't know. I think it already has a barrier. So it might be for the bottom part, maybe. I don't know. And then this guy goes on. There. And you go the other direction. Now, I'm still questionable whether I should want to use that washer or not. I kind of feel like it doesn't fit right. Yeah, I think I don't want to use it. It's not centered, and I don't really need it, I guess. It's such a big, wide washer that maybe fits here. No, it's just gonna wobble around. So I don't know. I don't. So far, I didn't need to use it. So let's go ahead and put that back in there. And you probably need that locking thing again, just to make sure you can hand tight it. And I didn't really use anything but just my hand, so and it kind of worked. Didn't fly off of me. I did do some tests just to make sure that it was gonna fly off of me, and then like slice my leg or something. But it held up pretty good. Okay, put that back on there. Hand tighten it, and then as it spin, it kind of does just tighten up, you know. tighten it, and then just slap this guy back in. And you're in business. Okay, it's been pretty good. So make sure that's fixing top, and it'll go. And as far as watching videos on how to do this, you kind of don't want it to be like if it grabs too much. So I believe it's, let me see, like that, to shave it, to kind of to cut it, to sharpen it. So there's a little groove here. Now there's probably better videos on the internet on how to do this, where they kind of make sure that this was aligned, but it's circular rather than a chainsaw, so this is a different application. But basically you kind of do that. And see, kind of sharpen this thing. And then you probably have to do it like this too on the other side. And drag it. Probably to rotate it. It's easier to just do it this way. Alright, well, that's kind of it, really. I think you put to kind of line it. There's probably some directions here, but it does line up pretty good as far as the cutter goes. And yeah, so I'm going to do the rest on my own time, but thanks for watching. You want to get the Forester and the Greenworks, it works together. It's in the description below. Thanks for watching.